when you need a higher floating dun, you know, the dun is ready to fly away and it's drying its wings, and then you use the soft hackle dry. And this fly goes back to 1850. I invented this fly back in 1850. I'm that old. Sorry about that. I did not invent this fly, but it's one of the oldest flies around and is one of the most effective. If you're having refusals on your atoms or whatever, put this fly on and it's a clincher. It really works. Okay, so we'll just start out. Take it all the way back. Take your thread all the way back to the bend. And this is a size 14, so I take about 4 of these barbels. Tie the tail on. You could also be creative and use some kind of synthetic for the tail if you want, make it look like more of an emerger, but I don't bother with that. Bring your thread to 2/3 of the way up, and I don't use copper wire or anything to reinforce the. You can wrap your thread around there if you want, but I find it's unnecessary. I'm a really simple fly tyer. If you're trying to imitate a PMD, you probably use a white dry fly feather. I'm going to use a dun feather here in case there's more imitates the betas. So what this dry fly feather does, it makes this fly float higher, more like a dun. So I'll go around about maybe 3 times, 3.5 times. Put on the soft hackle, so I'm going to use a Hungarian partridge. So end up with about like this, maybe a few less feathers. Okay, then I tie it in by the tip. In front, by in front I mean closer to the eye than the dry fly hackle. So make sure the feathers are facing backwards. Go around 2.5 times probably. take these feathers and hold them back like that. Then you tie your head. So you have your soft hackle dry. So this will float higher and imitate more of the done stage of the mayfly.